Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a snowman with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's build our snowman starting with a 2x2 round plate. I'm going to take a set of 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 8 studs. We're going to place these on top of the round plate. Let's set down a pair of 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plates. Now I want to crisscross our joints to keep everything secure. Then I'm going to place a 2x2 brick and a pair of 1x2 by 2x2 downwards angular plates. And on the top, 2 more 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 8 studs. Now let's build up the profile of our snowman. I'm going to take 4 2x2 plates. I'm going to place these on the bottom. The reason why is I'm going to build up the base of this just a little bit. As you can see, everything is off by a little bit. Now we're going to start placing several slopes on one side of our snowman. We're going to make this the back. And I'm just going to place some 1x2 by 2/3 slopes on like so, to where they are pointing in the middle. This one want to go in correctly. Now on one of the sides, I'm going to place 3 1x2 slopes on the bottom and a 1x1 slope right here. Now I'm going to leave this spot here open for a 1x1 hollow stud. Then I'm going to proceed on with a set of 1x2 slopes to finish up this side. Sometimes these things can be a bit of a challenge to get on because they have all these little tubes in the middle. Now I want to come on the other side here, and I'm going to mirror the pattern. So I'm going to start with 3 1x2 slopes. Note we put the stud on this side. Well, I'm going to put the stud over here, so on the left hand side a 1x1 slope, and then our hollow stud followed by 2 more 1x2 slopes. For the front, we're going to start on the base with a pair of 1x2 slopes. Then I'm going to proceed on the next level with a pair of 1x2 jumper plates, and in the top tier a 1x2 jumper plate and a 1x2 plate. Now these two right here, I'm going to place 2 round 1x1 flat tiles, and on the studs on the 1x2 plate a set of eyes. Now usually a trick with eyes is I just don't set them on all the way. I just barely tack them in, and then I just line them up. Sometimes you're going to have to twist and turn some things, but they end up going in. And in this area, one of these little drill bit things, or what you'd use on a unicorn, looks like a carrot, we'll shove that there. And for little hands, some of these mini flower stems or twig pieces. These are relatively new, so I don't know what their names are called, but anything in these hollow studs will do. Let's crown off the top of our snowman with a hat, so I'm going to take a 4x4 round plate, place it right on the center, then a set of 2x2 round plates, and to smooth off the top with a 2x2 flat tile to wrap up our snowman.